All right, students, welcome back to one more session of your WOC. Right. So if I have to tell you, this is the most important video for all the new subscribers who have joined to my channel. For all the old students who are there with me, your constant support, WOC is going ahead. So today, what is the reason Vani ma'am is in front of the camera? Let me explain. I'm going to clearly tell you what does WOC, that is your World of Chemistry for grade 10, 11, 12, JEE as well as NEET, what does it have? So as you have seen, World of Chemistry is, it has started in 2017 in the month of September. This journey has continued wonderfully for all these years, and it has almost, or if I have to tell you, I have almost done 1600 videos. It's not a simple number, students, 1600 videos. First of all, let me tell you what do I have in my channel. So if I have to start with grade 12 students, when you enter into my channel, please go into the playlist. As you have seen, just go to the playlist part of that. When you go into the playlist, you have, basically we have 16 chapters for grade 12. All the 16 chapters of grade 12 chemistry, that too, along with NCERT, lot of books referred, everything line by line is taught in each and every chapter. Suppose let me take solid state. Line by line is taught from the NCERT. Reference books are taken into consideration. Whiteboard teaching is done. And if you're seeing, complete all the 16 chapters playlist is there in all the 16 chapters are there. Now what else is there other than this? From solid state till your chemistry in everyday life, the last chapter, if I have to tell you, all these chapters, 10 years board papers I have done. So there is one more playlist with 10 years board papers which continues from 2007. I have done almost till 19 and 20 also. So every chapter, 10 years board papers are also there in the channel, students. So point number 1, 16 chapters of grade 12. Point number 2, 10 years board papers of all the chapters. What else is there? Dil mange more, right? The point number 3 is, in World of Chemistry for grade 12 students, you have distinguishing test for organic. There are different series like tricks for organic, as you are seeing. There are different concepts like one-shot videos, the most important thing. Normally, if you're a new subscriber, you have to watch each and every video of, sometimes it is 5 minutes, sometimes it is 20 minutes, like that. Suppose if you're an old student, if you don't have time, then one-shot videos are clearly made for all the chapters. When I say one-shot video, it is not simply I'm just teaching, or no, in one shot I finish the chapter. Not like that, students. One-shot video includes every point. Altogether, a 6 hours video is there. So you plan like that. In 1 week, you can complete 6 chapters. In 1 more week, you can complete 6 more chapters. In 1 more week, 2 more, or it will be over, or rather 4 more. So total number of 16 chapters will be over in just 3 weeks. And that one-shot video, as I said, it is taken from the NCERT. It is taught from different reference books. Numericals are solved in that. Everything from NCERT is done. So individual line by line also is there for grade 12th. One-shot videos are also there for grade 12th. What else, ma'am, for grade 12th? Board papers are also there for grade 12th. What else? Apart from this, grade 12 students, you have in organic chemistry in 3-day series. That also is done. Considering the whole part 2 book for organic chemistry, everything together. Apart from that, distinguishing tests are there. Identification based questions are there. Trick series is there, everything. So it's a complete 100% package of your NCERT in your WOC in your playlist. Now let me come to 11th class students. So 11th class students, same strategy is followed, starting from basic concepts of chemistry. When you see the playlist, basic concepts of chemistry, in that way all the chapters are done except two. One is states of matter and environmental chemistry, which will be uploaded very soon. Alright students, so remaining all the topics are uploaded chapter wise in the playlist. Everything is there in that. Along with NCERT, 5 different reference books are taken to give you the quality content. Alright, so grade 11 students, once you join me in 11th, you can continue your journey till 12th. Everything is there, free for you all. Put it in inverted commas, free for you all. WC always believes in quality and free education, students. Alright, now let us come to grade 10 students. Grade 10 students, when you see, starting from your first chapter, second, third, fourth, like that, the chapters are uploaded. But what is important? Every chapter is taught from the NCERT. Okay, what is special? Along with that, I have also taught you the activity which is there in NCERT in the video. So whatever activity is there in NCERT along with the topic, that video also is made. That means a topic of NCERT is taught and an NCERT activity is attached in the form of an animation. It's just like giving you an idea of how a practical lab looks like. Got it? So students of grade 10th, you're joining, watch all the videos with the NCERT topic thought and NCERT activity that also is there, as you're seeing here in the playlist. So like that, the whole thing is there. Very soon, one-shot videos of 10th also are coming up. Alright, this is about 12th, 11th and 10th. Ma'am, JEE and NEET is coming up. What should we do? Yes, students. For the JEE and the NEET students, there are a lot of trick series videos in that, where, as you see in the playlist, JEE tricks, NEET tricks, short tricks are there which are kept in the playlist. So everything, all the trick series, whatever are there, everything is kept with the proper title for you all. So that once you are given a question, you can quickly see, and with using those tricks, you can quickly solve the question within given time. Time is a constraint in competitive exams, no students? Time. So trick series is done for JEE and NEET. Ma'am, that's all. Very important, one more. WOC has an official Telegram channel where till now I have done almost, if I have to tell you, 500 plus questions of NEET and JEE along with solved answers I have sent. I have included different chapters like chemical bonding, thermodynamics, equilibrium, S block, P block, all almost 11th and 12th. 30 chapters, whatever are there, everything I am going to send you. Students, remember, your JEE NEET goes on till your your competitive exams. Write your exam and come back and share me your views. Grade 10 students, I'm there with you. Grade 11 students, I'm there with you. Grade 12 students, I'm there with you. And JEE and NEET students, I'm there with you. And important thing, WOC is a channel which believes in quality and free education. What else, ma'am? Yes, along with that, I always see that my channel students get the updated information. Whatever CBSE updated information is there, whatever is released in the website, everything is in front of you. So within quick, I'll not even wait whether it is night, 12 o'clock, it is 1 o'clock. If I get an update immediately, what do? I immediately send it, either record my voice or send the information for you in the form of shorts. What else? Yes, the most important thing. You know, students, I always believe in one thing. What? This is what my mother has taught me. I keep telling my students, work till your last drop of your blood. That is what my mother said. You give your service to your students, that too free service to your students, where education is something to share. Knowledge is something to share. So with the values which I have learned from my parents, I'm going to send it or take it ahead, and WOC journey goes on and on and on. Yes, I have also conducted live sessions for grade 12 students before the exams, which really helped them. Alright students, so that warmthness, if I have to tell you, educator and student relationship, more than that, a mother and a child relationship. I really feel that. When some student asks me doubt, if I can answer, I will immediately answer the comment section. If it is not, if I feel okay, maybe I'm not so this one to answer that, I may not answer, because I don't want to give you wrong information. Alright, so that mother and child relationship is nothing but WOC students. World of Chemistry for grade 10, 11, 12, JEE and NEET is that channel. Remember, it's there for you all, completely, for really guiding you for all the 10, 11, 12 and JEE and NEET. Okay, anything else, ma'am? Apart from this mother-child relationship, important. See, chemistry is my subject, accepted. Physics also, maths also, I have tried giving you inputs, short videos, tricks in physics and maths also. Please check the playlist which are mentioned here. What else, students? So all the new students, warm welcome to WOC. For all the old students, those who are there with me since 3 years, thank you so much for your support. Note my words. From my side, I'm always there with you. From your side, never leave WOC. Alright students, thank you so much for all the parents, for all the educators, for all the professors, for all the lecturers, and for all the students who are there with me. So please check the playlist, ask more and more students to join the platform. Thank you so much students. Stay happy, stay safe, stay fit. Bye-bye students.